Hi, Terrence. It was great talking with you today. I wanted to send you this quick video just to kind of show you your online presence right now. And I know that you mentioned that you're in the middle of building a new website or having one built for you. So I was just going to give you some quick tips based on a competitor and what their site looks like and the kind of traffic that they're pulling into their site. Just kind of show you the back end of that, and hopefully that will be helpful to you and you can pass those tips on to whoever is building the website for you. So in this video, I'm just going to go over a few specifics of how to rank your new site when you get it and how to beat your competition online. So the three things I'm going to talk with you about are content, backlinks, and citations. So I went ahead and pulled this up, and I see that you have a Google My Business, so that's awesome, always really great to have. And it's really great to add more and more citations, which I'll go over with you later on in the video, in order to rank in the map pack. But first, let's talk about content. So when I pulled up your competitor, MK Electric Man, I just wanted to show you the website just to give you kind of some tips on what I would recommend for you for your new website. As far as content goes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage in order to be considered authority in Google's eyes. So you'll want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent, and for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like Electrician New Orleans, electricians in New Orleans, and other keyword phrases along those lines that are location specific. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, your website will pop right up. So as far as that goes, content, if you were to get 1,500 words, the rule of thumb that we tell our clients to use is one keyword phrase for every 100 to 150 words. So anywhere from 10 to 13 keywords spread organically throughout the paragraphs would be a good recommendation for you for your new site. So here, I also wanted to let you know that content really is anything on the homepage here. So anything on the homepage that Google can read, all the text, and then anything that your images are saved as and any text within your images. That's all considered content. So one other thing that I would recommend on your homepage, which MK Electric Man does not have, are to put testimonials right above your contact information down here. Testimonials just really help to, build trust with your prospective clients, and so it's always a good thing to have on the homepage. That's what I would recommend. And then as far as your service pages go, so you see they have electrical services and then they have a long list. That's a really good thing to have. So a non-clickable menu item, and then you have all of these pages as individual pages. It really helps these back pages to rank on Google. So for example, if someone typed in electrical repairs, New Orleans, then Google could bring this back page up, and they would end up going to MK Electric Man's website and looking at what they have to say about electrical repairs, potentially giving them a call and hiring them for whatever repairs they're needing. So as far as content goes here, I'd recommend 500 words for each of your individual service pages, and then anywhere from 3 to 4 keywords spread organically throughout the paragraphs is a good number to strive for there. So they have a whole separate page of testimonials, but like I said, I think having them on the homepage is the way to go. So, or at least feature your very best reviews on your homepage. And then having an About Us page like they have is really great because it really helps to, kind of build trust again with your prospects, and also just to show them what you're about, what your company does, and just explain kind of a little bit of the history of you guys. So that's what I would recommend. And then always a Contact Us page is great to have. And then, grab any of the leads information that they want to give you here. So as far as the website goes, those are my recommendations to you. I wanted to talk with you a little bit next about backlinks. So the thing with Google is it can kind of be like a popularity contest because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. Now, very important to remember that not all website not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is you're going to gain a lot more influence from a backlink that's related to your industry specifically. So for example, an electrician blog that mentions your company would be a good one for you. Or a popular website that features various types of home services and features electrical services, that would be another good one for you. So something that has to do with the services you offer, you're going to have much more influence given to you from that type of backlink versus a backlink from, let's say, your local Domino's Pizza, for example. So a tool I use to measure backlinks is called Ahrefs, and I went ahead and put MK Electric Man's site in just as an example for you to see. Looks like they have 139 backlinks and 42 different websites pointing back at them. They're ranking for 551 different keywords, and they have 183 website visits in the last 30 days. So my guess is that, some of these, at least some, have converted to new customers for them. So they're getting a lot of website visits, and most likely a lot of new customers from those website visits, or at least a good amount. So a strategy that we tell our clients to use to get that same kind of influence and power as their competitors is to go in and get the same backlinks as they have and then continue to keep adding more and more. So what will happen is you'll end up surpassing them while gaining more power to your site, more organic traffic, and of course, new customers. So that is what you'll want to strive for once you get your new site up and running. In order to rank it, you'll want to go after, some of your top competitors' backlinks and try to match them and then continue to grow and gain more and more backlinks. The last thing I want to talk to you about today is citations. So citations are important because anytime someone's looking for a service, most likely what they'll do is type it into Google, and then they'll see these top 3 businesses ranking in the local Google My Business map pack. And so I know that you already have a Google My Business page, which is great. You have that account set up and everything. And so what you'll want to do is you'll want to go in and list yourself in the same directories that these businesses are listed in. So citations are basically just anywhere online where the business has listed their business name, address, and phone number in different directories, such as Yelp, Home Advisor, Yellow Pages. So if you could list yourself in those same directories that these businesses are listed in, and then add on a space cushion of, let's say, 20 to 30% more directories than the competition, over time you'll end up infiltrating this Google My Business map pack. You'll be ranking at the top, getting a lot of website visits to your new site, a lot of calls, and before your competitors even realize it, they won't be able to catch up because you'll just keep adding on more backlinks, more citations, taking on all of that new business. So I just wanted to show you my site. This is my company, Lobo Leads, and this is my phone number. If you have any questions after watching this about any of the information I went over, like I said before, I'm happy to chat with you about it, and I'd love to hear your feedback. And I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.